Hey guys, welcome to my Yoga Sites AI review. Today I'm going to share with you an AI tool called Yoga Sites AI. If you've ever dreamt of owning your own yoga and fitness e-commerce store without all the hassle of setting it up, this tool is what you need. I'll walk you through what Yoga Sites AI is, how it works, and of course the pricing, including some bonuses I've lined up if you decide to grab it through my link. Plus, you'll get to see a live demo when you click the link below to see exactly how it works. So what exactly is Yoga Sites AI? This web app allows you to create unlimited self-updating yoga and fitness e-commerce stores. Yoga Sites AI stands out from other apps in that the stores created by the app come preloaded with over 3,000 best-selling yoga PLR products, video trainings, eBooks, and so much more, all done for you. Now, for those who don't know what PLR is, this stands for private label rights. So with these products, you have the right to sell them as your own or give them free as a lead magnet to build your list. Whether you are into selling yoga products, offering yoga classes, or even diving into the health and fitness niche, Yoga Sites AI takes everything from building your site to keeping it updated with the latest content. It's perfect for anyone who wants to start making money online without the typical setups headaches. Now, if you decide to grab Yoga Sites AI through my link, I've got some exclusive bonuses that will take your business to the next level. First, you'll get a complete guide to mastering social media to drive traffic to your yoga store. It's perfect for those who want to harness the power of social media to boost sales. Next up, you will receive a video marketing course. This bonus teaches you how to create powerful video content that engages your audience and converts them into loyal customers. You'll also get a guide to TikTok marketing. This will show you how to tap into the massive TikTok audience and use it to promote your products effectively. These bonuses are only available if you get Yoga Sites through the link in the description, and they'll be delivered to you instantly after your purchase. Now, with that out of the way, let's talk pricing. The basic package of the front end of the Yoga Sites AI is available for just $17. With this, you get everything you need to start creating your e-commerce store immediately. There is no monthly fees, it's just a one-time payment. Now, if you want to unlock the full potential of this software, there are some upgrades you might want to consider. First upgrade is the unlimited upgrade for $27. These upgrades for now are on discounted prices as the product is just launching, but maybe in the future the prices will go up. So with this first upgrade for unlimited upgrade, this will remove all restrictions, allowing you to create unlimited yoga stores, access to 50,000 plus yoga PLRs, and much more. This is perfect for those who want to expand their business without any limitations. The second upgrade is the Done For You package at $47. This upgrade is ideal if you want a completely hands-off experience. The team will set up your store, load it with best-selling products, and even drive traffic to your site, ensuring you are making sales daily. Then the third upgrade is the Site to App upgrade for $47. This turns your online stores into fully functional apps, both for iOS and Android, giving you another stream of income. The fourth and fifth upgrades include the Traffic package at $37, which automates traffic generation to your site, and the Page Ranker at $27, which boosts your site's SEO and helps it rank higher on search engines like Google and Bing. And now, the 6th upgrade is for those who are serious about securing their online business. The Web Secure upgrade for $27 offers top-notch cybersecurity features to your sites. And finally, the 7th and 8th upgrade are the agency and reseller upgrades. They both go for $67, which is discounted, but they are saying that when the prices go up, it can go up maybe from $97. With this allows you to create accounts for clients and keep 100% of the profits from your sales. So, should you really upgrade? Now, here's my take. If you're just starting out and want to dip your toes in, the basic front-end package at $17 is more than enough to get you started. But if you are serious about growing your business, especially if you want to automate processes and scale quickly, the upgrades, particularly the unlimited and the done-for-you packages, are definitely worth considering. If you feel this tool can be of help to you and want to start building your own self-updating yoga e-commerce store, click the link in the description to secure your copy of Yoga Sites AI for just $17 and grab my exclusive bonuses to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.